Hello students. In previous lecture, we have seen some SQL operators like arithmetic operators, logical operators. Now in this lecture, let us see few more SQL operators. So this is outline of today's lecture. We are going to see SQL operators. One is range searching operator and second is pattern matching operator. So let us see range searching operators. Range searching operators are used to retrieve the data using the condition specified in ranges. So if you want to select records from the table and there is a condition and that condition is specified in ranges, then you have to use range searching operators. For example, you want to display information of students whose marks are in the range 70 to 90. So here you can use range searching operator. SQL supports range operators between and not between. The between operator selects values within given range, and the between operator is inclusive, means begin and end values are included. So for this between operator you have to specify begin value and end value, and it will search for records which are including beginning and end values. So between operator is a inclusive. This is a syntax for between range operator. Select, then you have to write column name or column names if you want to select multiple columns. Then from table name, and where column name between value 1 and value 2. So these values are inclusive. So this is a syntax for between operator. Similarly, there is a not between operator. The not between operator selects values which are not within a given range. The not between operator is exclusive, means here also you have to specify begin values and end values, but begin and end values are excluded. For example, you want to display information of students whose marks are not in the range 30 to 50. Then here 30, the student having marks 30 or student having marks 50, records of those students are excluded from the result. Let us see example. Write query to display ENO, E-name and salary of all employees whose salary is in the range 8,000 to 12,000. So in previous lecture we have seen empinfo table. There is a information of employees in that table. So here we have to write query for displaying employee number, his name, salary of those employees whose salary is in the range 8,000 and 12,000. So the employee whose salary is 8,000 or whose salary is 12,000, that record is also included in the result because between operator is a inclusive. So let us see it. Click on start, then programs, Oracle database, run SQL command line. Connect to database. Now we have to write query. Select ENO, comma, E name, comma, salary. from empinfo. And what is our condition? Where salary between 8,000 and, here and is logical operator, 8,000 and 12,000. So here you can see information of those employees whose salary is in the range 8,000 to 12,000. Here remember you have to write between value 1 and value 2. So here there are two employees whose salary is 12,000. So those employees are also included in the result. Now second example, write query to display employee number, employee name and salary of all employees whose salary is not in the range 80,000 to 90,000. So salary should not be in this range 80,000 to 90,000. So let us see. You have to write, select ENO, name, salary from empinfo where salary not between and range is 80,000 and 90,000. So here you can see information of all employees whose salary is not in this range, it is displayed. Here salary is 95,000, so it is out of this range 80,000 to 90,000, so that information is displayed. Now second type of SQL operator is pattern matching operators. SQL pattern matching allows you to search for patterns in data if you don't know the exact word or phrase you are seeking. For example, suppose the column is email address, and in that column you want to check whether email address contain at character, it contains dot character, then you can use such type of pattern matching operators. The pattern matching like operator is used in a where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column. We are going to see the pattern matching operator like, and it is used in where clause to search for specific pattern in a column. There are two wildcards often used in conjunction with like operator, and it is percent. The percent sign represents 0, 1 or multiple characters. 0, existence of 0 or multiple characters. For that wildcard percent is used in the pattern. And underscore. The underscore represents a single character. So in pattern you want to specify single character. So you have to use one underscore. This is a syntax. You have to write select column 1 comma column 2 and so on from table name where column n like pattern. So for column n you want to search the records and you want to check whether column n having values which matches to this pattern. So you have to write here column name, then like, which is a pattern matching operator, and then you have to specify pattern. While specifying pattern you can use these two wildcards, percent and underscore. Let us see exercise. So write a query to display information of all employees whose name starts with M. So we have seen empinfo table. We want to write query for displaying information of all employees whose name starts with M. So let us see how to use pattern matching operator for it. Select star from M info. So here you can see information of all employees. There are total 10 employees in this table, and we want to display information of those employees whose name starts with M. So we can see here there are 3 employees whose name starts with M. So we have to write query select. As we want to display all information, we have to write star. Select star from info, where which column we want to check? E name, because name should start with M. So where E name, then use like operator, E name like, and you have to specify pattern here. So pattern should be specified within single quotes because it is a string. So E name like. So our condition is that name start with M. So first character should be M, and after first character there may be any other characters in the name. So we have to use wildcard percent. So here you can see the result. Information of all employees whose name starts with M is displayed. So in this way we have used this pattern matching operator. Name starts with M followed by any other characters. And second, write a query to display information of all employees whose name has O as a second character. So we want to check names of employees where second character in the name is O, and there may be any first character. First character may be any character from A to Z, but second character should be O. So let us see how to write it. Here you have to write select a star from emp info where E name like. So we don't know which will be first character. We know that second character will be O. So first character, for first character you have to write underscore, single underscore. Then after that second character is O, and after second character there may be any other characters in the name. So write percent. So this is our pattern. Only second character is O. There will be one character. So it may be A to Z. First character may be any character from A to Z. So here you can see information of all employees where in E name second character is O. So all employees information is displayed here. Then third, write a query to display information of all employees whose city ends with I. There is one column city, and the city name should end with I. It may start with any letter, there may be any other letters in the city, but it should end with I. So let us see the query. We have to write select star from emp info where column name is city. City like, again we have to specify in single quote, city like. So the city name should end with I. So first n minus 1 letters may be any letters. So you have to write percent, and last letter will be I. Single quote complete. So here you can see information of employees where city name ends with I. Then write a query to display information of all employees whose city is 6 characters long. So length of city name should be exactly 6 characters long. So here we have to use select a star from info where city like. So there should be 6 characters in the city name. Exactly 6 characters. So for single character we have to specify single underscore. So here in pattern write 6 underscores. So this is not line but it is 6 underscore characters. So here you can see information of all employees whose city name contains exactly 6 characters. Then write a query to display information of all employees whose name contains character I. So character I may present at any location, first, second, third, fourth, at any location there may be character I. So you have to write query for displaying information of all employees whose name contains character I at any location. So let us see. So e name like, select star from mpinpov where e name like. So the name should contain character I, but it may not be first character, it may be any character. So I may be preceded by 0 or more characters, so percentage is used. So after I there may be 0 or more characters also, so again percent is used and then single quotes. So here you can see information of all employees whose name contains character I. In this way you have to specify the different patterns using the wildcards, percent and underscore. Here sixth query is write a query to display information of all employees uh, whose name has character I as a third last letter. So name has character I as a third last letter. So let us see. So character I should be third last letter. So from last two characters will be any character from A to Z. So here I have specified two underscores. So this is a second last character, last character, and this is a second last character, and this is a third last character. Third last character should be I, and before I there may be 0 or more other characters. So here percent is used. So here you can see information of employees whose name contains uh, I character and that I character is present at third last position. Here you can see I is present at third last position. So after I there should be two characters. So two underscores are used in the pattern after I, and before I there may be any number of characters. So you have to use percent. And now last query is write a query to display information of all employees whose name has minimum 6 characters. Not exactly 6 characters, but whose name has minimum 6 characters. So you have to display information of all employees whose name is 6 characters long or 7 characters long or 8 or more. Minimum length of name should be 6 characters. So how we have to write? Here, select a star from emp info where e name like. So it should be 6 characters long. So minimum 6 characters should be there. So we have to write 6 underscores first. 6 underscores, and 6 or more characters are also allowed. So here you have to write percentage. So here you can see information of employees whose name is minimum 6 characters long. This is a 6 characters long, this is a 8 characters long, like this. So in this way you have to specify different patterns using pattern matching operator like. These are answers of queries. With this, today's lecture is over. Thank you.